Your period is delayed, your heart is beating, you did pregnancy test and the pregnancy test is saying negative. What could actually be wrong? What if I tell you that your body may actually be giving you a warning sign, something that is deeper than pregnancy? In today's video, I am going to review the reason why your period is delayed and the signs that you should never ignore. Hello, wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel, No Sunshine Bloom Health. This is a safe space where we talk about health in a simple, clear, and empowering way to avoid any form of medical confusion. So today we'll be talking about a topic that causes anxiety for women, which is delayed period and no pregnancy. So let's dive into the main topic, which is delayed period. What is actually delayed period? We know that the normal cycle length, it is between 21 days to 35 days cycle length. If your cycle length is lesser than 21 days, it is abnormal. And when your cycle length is greater than 35 days, it is also abnormal. So delayed period now means that when your period did not come at the expected date, for people that actually know how to calculate their cycle length. Because if you did not know your cycle length, if you don't know how to calculate your cycle length, and you may be thinking that your period will come out on 10, whereas it is actually supposed to come out on 20, you are doing the wrong thing. You cannot say that your period is delayed because you did not actually know how to calculate your cycle length to know if it is delayed or not. So for people that know how to calculate their cycle length, delayed period is when your period did not come at the expected date, at the time that it's supposed to come. And there are so many things that cause this delay period. The first one is stress. When someone is constantly stressed, when you are always stressing yourself, be it mentally stressed, psychologically stressed, relationship stress, any kind of stress you are passing through, it will make your body to release a hormone that is called the cortisol. And this cortisol, when cortisol is released, it affects your hormone. It affects the hormone that is responsible for you to ovulate. And when your ovulation is interfered with, your period can also be interfered with. So stress is actually one of the main reasons for delayed period without pregnancy. The second reason for delayed period is when you are excessively gaining weight, or maybe when you're excessively reducing weight. When you're excessively gaining weight or reducing weight, it affects your hormone, thereby disrupting your hormone. And once your hormone is disrupted, it can cause delayed period. The third causes of delay period is hormonal imbalance. When your hormones are not balanced, hormones like estrogen, progesterone, luteinizing hormone, the important hormone that is in the female body. So when your hormone is disrupted, or maybe when your hormone is imbalanced, it can cause delayed period. And when you have some certain conditions like PCOS, PCOS is one of the conditions that can actually cause hormonal imbalance. When someone is having PCOS, it affects their period. They have irregular menstrual cycle, they have irregular period. They can even see their period this month, and in next two upper months, they will not see their period. It is a sign of hormonal imbalance. So when you are having PCOS, you should bear it in your mind that you are not likely to be seeing your period on a regular basis, on a monthly basis. So hormonal imbalance is another cause of delayed period. The fourth cause of hormonal imbalance is some medications that you are taking, especially all these birth control medications. When you are taking birth control medication, like all this emergency contraceptive and all those ones, it affects your hormone, thereby disrupting your hormone. It then delay your period. The fifth one is after pregnancy or breastfeeding. When you have just had a child, your hormones are readjusting, thereby ovulation and period can become kind of delayed. It's not something that after giving birth today you start seeing your period. No. The things that you see after giving birth is what we call lochia. But after some times you see that your period will kind of dry up. You will not see your period for some months after giving birth. Or maybe you are breastfeeding a child, you found out that you are not seeing your period. It's because you are breastfeeding. So your hormone are just readjusting. The next point on reason why your period is delayed is when you are pregnant. When you are pregnant, your period can also be delayed. There's possibility of you not seeing your period. And the next upper one, the last one on the list, is premenopausal. For women that is in their late 40s, it is a way by which your body is transitioning to menopause. Your period can be irregular, your ovulation can be irregular. It is transitioning in such a way that with time you can stop seeing that period entirely. If your period is delayed and you know that you really know how to calculate your cycle length, You are not the type of people that is guessing. There is a time that you know that it is the right time for you to go to the hospital for medical checkup. If your period is delayed for up to 2 to 3 months, you know how to calculate your cycle and you haven't seen your period for 2 to 3 months. Don't just relax at home. Just go to the hospital for medical checkup. And if you're experiencing severe pain, if you're experiencing like abnormal vaginal discharge and your period is delayed, it is the right time for you to go to the hospital so that you can be properly checked, properly examined to know the next step that should be taken. Your body is always communicating with you. A late period is not just a delay, it is a signal. Understand the signal, listen to the signal, and know the necessary step to take. So if you gain one or two, or maybe if you learn one or two things in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up by liking it. And don't forget to share this video so that it can get to wider audience. Don't forget to comment under the comment section. Any question that you have, you can drop it under the comment section and I will be there to answer all your questions. And if you did not really understand what I talk about, you can also say it and I will clarify you. Or if you have any topic you want me to talk about, still put it down under the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel. Press your notification button. See you in my next video. Stay hopeful, stay consistent, and then be safe. Bye bye.